finally, dumating na yung order ko. This is from Garnier. So, let's see what's the inside. So, this is micellar cleansing water, and this is the Sakura Glow, or which is the serum. So, this is my first time to use, and itatry natin. So, ito muna ang unahin natin kasi ito naman talaga ang dapat mauna before serum. Sige, padula kong nawong. So, itatry natin. This is first. Let me introduce this product of Garnier Micellar Cleanser Water All-in-One, and this is for Evan, for sensitive skin like me. Sobrang dry ng skin ko, so this is a fit for me. This is a removers makeup, face, eyes, lips, and yun. So I'm using these cotton pads. So let's try it. Let's try how cool this product. Okay. It removes your dirt look.
I love this product. This is from Garnier Skin Natural Micellar Cleansing Water All-in-One, even for sensitive skin. It helps cleanses, salties, or removing makeup, face, eyes, lips, no rinse off. This micellar cleansing is the easiest way to remove makeup, impurities, and pollution. Cleanse and salty all face areas, eyes, lips in one gesture without rinsing. Garnier introduces the micellar technologies in a smart cleanser. No need to rub to get rid of your impurities and makeup. Micellar capture residue on the skin like a magnet. Apply onto the face, eyes, and lips with one reusable or cotton pad with.
So, I think ito lang ang dirt na sa aking face look. Parang maliit lang. Maliit lang ang dirt sa aking face. Kakahilamos ko lang, char.
This product suits all skin types, even sensitive. No perfume, no alcohol.
I need to put on my neck, char, para ma-remove ang dirt. Now, nakaka-fresh. I love it. I love this product. Garnier. So the next is itatry natin ang Sakura Glow, the 3 times Hydron Booster Serum. So in the next video.